Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how you can A/B test your bundles inside of Rapi. So let's get straight into it. I want to show you a quick example of how you can set it up and how it basically looks like. Just a very quick and simple example. So first things first, inside of your bundle that you want to A/B test, you just want to make sure you go to that bundle. In this case, it's for the supplement right here. On just the bundle page, the preview page, you can see run A/B test in the top right corner. If you click on that, you successfully created your B variant. Your A variant will be completely unchanged. It's the bundle that you set up initially. Make sure that's completed and that's already running. And now you can actually click on B, and inside of the B variant, you can test whatever you want. You can change whatever you want. You can literally delete the whole bundle and build a new one from scratch, and then have both bundles be displayed 50% to the customers and to the traffic that you're getting. So 50% of your traffic would see bundle A, 50% of your traffic would see bundle B. You can also add more. If you click on add variant, you will get a C variant. So 33% of your traffic would see A, and so on and so forth. You can create more variants. In this case, I just want to show you how you can basically set up two variants. So what we're going to change is we're not going to delete the whole bundle and build it from scratch. I wouldn't recommend this. I would recommend to just make small changes so we can actually later on conclude that these changes actually made the impact on the sales we were getting, on the conversion rate change whatsoever when we look at the KPIs, which we will do in a second. So for example, in bundle B, the only thing I want to change is the text. So I'm going to go to offers, offer one, and instead of buy one pack, I'm just going to be like buy one, number one. Same for offer number two. In here, offer number two, I'm just going to change it to buy two, and that's it. Click on save. If you look at it now, variant A will be buy one pack, buy two packs, same bundle. Variant B will be the same exact bundle, but it's saying buy one, buy two. So we're just testing one thing at a time. This time it will be only the copywriting. Okay, so then the A/B test is live, and how it basically looks like, that's what I want to show you right now. If we want to read the KPIs, we are basically going to click on the button. You just want to click on that little arrow right here, and it will show you variant B and variant A. You can see how many visitors have watched that bundle. You can see it's like 50-50 basically, and you can see the KPIs. Now, obviously, the more visitors you have, the more traffic you've gotten on both variants, the more significant your KPIs actually are. So if you've gotten 10 visitors on each variant, it's completely insignificant. It doesn't mean anything. You really need a lot of visitors to read the KPIs, and the KPIs are actually significant. So in this case, as you can see, this is still low traffic. We cannot really conclude anything, and I would keep this running until 2, 3, 4, 5,000 visitors or more. But you can already see the KPIs. The extra revenue, it's already more on variant B. As I said, it doesn't have to mean anything. We cannot draw any conclusions yet, but you can already see variant B has generated more revenue in total. And the most important part, average order value tends to be higher on variant B, and also the conversion rate tends to be higher on variant B. This is very important. Obviously, conversion rate, this is what you want to look at when you look at the KPIs. And the revenue per visitor is higher on variant B. So far, the variant B is actually outperforming variant A. But as I said, doesn't mean anything. And once you, let's say, have gotten 10,000 visitors, 5,000 visitors, and you think it's enough, you've gotten enough traffic on your A/B test, you have been running it for months, for weeks, for days, whatever, how much traffic you're getting, you can actually eliminate the losing variant / picking the winner variant. You simply want to click on end A/B test, and then you want to choose your winner that will remain and that will keep running. So let's say we have gotten enough visitors and variant A was clearly winning in all the KPIs, or the most significant KPIs, higher conversion rate, higher average order value, whatsoever. We simply want to click on choose A, and variant B gonna automatically be archived, and variant A is the only one remaining. So we have successfully picked our winning variant, and then we can run another A/B test, for example. So that's exactly how you can run A/B tests, how you can read the KPIs, and how you eventually decide for a winning test. It's very straightforward, very easy to set up, and you can test whatever you want.